89 perches, two side paddy field front land, and in front of the land has a irrigation canal from Tissa Lake in Tissa Maharama. It is ideal investment opportunity for any kind of tourism. From the property to the Tissa Lake, Tissa River, less than 50 meters, and this irrigation water canal floating in front of the land. Two sides has evergreen paddy fields to the Tissa town, just walking distance, and this Kavan Tissa temple view to the property. Right, it is ideal for any kind of tourism purpose. Thank you.